Are you gonna keep count?
Yeah. Sheesh.
How many people we got here? 22? Yo, I need everybody to share the live. No cap. Okay, let's put this closer. Here we go, yo. Yo, if you guys want to enter, all you guys got to do is follow me on Instagram and send me a DM with how many rubber bands. With how many rubber bands you think it'll take. And if you're right, then you win $100. All right, here we go.
One Direction.
It's gonna be harder than I think. All right, 1.
1,112. 60.
Yo, I need you guys to follow me on Instagram and DM me your predictions. Follow me on Instagram and DM me your predictions. Okay, this is 3.
3.
And every every birthday cake, I get to throw it up. So if you want to donate a birthday cake, I'll throw it up for you.
4.
4. What's that? 5.
5.
6. Damn, this one, nah, that one's heavy. 'What's that?
7. 74 people, bro.
Yo, if you guys want a chance to win $100, all you guys gotta do is follow me on Instagram. Link is in the bio. Send me a DM of how many rubber bands it's gonna take. And if you're the closest, then you win $100. Simple. If you want me to throw it up in the sky, all you gotta do is donate a birthday cake and I'll throw it up in the sky. This is 9.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna be here for a minute. Hold it. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16?
16, yeah.
16. 17. All right, there we go. I think we're good. How much we're at?
31. 33.
33. 36. Be here for a little minute.
That was 1 or 2.
1.
40.
We're at 40.
Well, you can see a little pressure right there. You can see it. 41. It's coming up.
I thought it was over.
It's 42.
42. Yo, I need everybody to tap on the screen. I need everybody to tap on the screen. Like this will get on the FYP. I need everybody to tap on the screen. We're at 40. How many? 42?
42, yeah.
42. Damn, these rubber bands are...
That's 44.
Alright, let's get to the big boys. We're at 44. 2.
47.
47. Here, 3 more.
50.
We're at 50 rubber bands. 52 rubber bands. As I'm doing this, I need everybody to tap on the screen. Tap on the screen and fill up that meter at the top left. If you guys want to win $100, all you guys got to do is go to my Instagram. Link is in the bio. Send me a DM of how many rubber bands will pop this, and if you're the closest, you win. Here, 2 more. What are we at?
65.
65. 67. 69. 71. We're going by 2s. 73.
75.
What's that? 75.
You know what? I got no idea.
No cap. Dun-dun-dun. 75. 77. I need everybody in here to share the stream. I think 175. What's that?
77.
77. 78. 2 more. Where we at?
80.
We're at 80. 3 right here. 83. 84. The kids are watching. 85. 2 more. 87. What's this? 88. Will it hit 90? Will it hit 90? There you go. 90 smackaroonies. Yo, I need everybody to tap on the screen. Everybody just tap on the screen till this fills up. This way more people could join up. Here we go.
Oh, you can see it on this one.
Look at that. We're at 90 rubber bands. Let's go.
Will it make it to 100?
What's it?
92.
92. Let's go to 100. Let's see. Will it make 100? Will it make 100 rubber bands? Yes or no? Comment. How much we at? 92?
Yeah.
90. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. Oh!
Because then they can't see it.
That's up para live.
All
right, we're at 100. How much we got in here? 171. If you guys want a chance to win, all you guys gotta do is follow me on Instagram. DM me how much rubber bands it'll take. And if you're the closest, you win. Let's go.
Sheesh. Let's see. Will it make it to 200?
Here we go. Boom.
101.
101. 2 rubber bands.
103.
103. Casi 200. We need to get 1,000 people in here. I need everybody to share the live with your friends. Share the live or tap on the screen.
106. 105.
105. 106, 105.
No, you put 1 on that one. 106.
We're at 107. Will it hit 110? For a birthday cake right now, I will toss it in the air. If someone donates a birthday cake, I will toss it in the air in honor of your name. Here we go.
109.
110.
111.
111.
112. Sheesh.
Nah.
Yo, tell me that. Does this not look like a Ninja Turtle? You got
Yeah, it does look like a Ninja Turtle. Hold on. 241 people in here. I need you guys' best predictions.
It's at 1012.
Here we go. We're at 112 with it.
You gotta tell me how many you put it on.
All right, here we go. There's 1. Bro, don't be scared.
Yeah, right. Yo, my face is...
I need you to come over here. Come over here. They need to be able to see you. All right.
114.
115. 115. 116. 117. 118. 119. 120. Like I said, if you guys wanna enter in a giveaway, all you guys gotta do is follow me on Instagram. DM me how many rubber bands it'll take for this to explode. If you win, you win $100. Simple. 121. 122. 123. 124. 125. 126. 126. I don't think we're reaching 300.
127.
127. 128.
129.
129.
It's not even a dino. It's a pot.
130.
Woo!
Yes.
Yeah, what's good? I need everybody to share the stream and tap on the video. All right, here we go.
Sheesh.
What's the predictions looking like? 130, 170? How much we're at? 120 what?
130.
We're at 130 right now. You see it? It was good. I think it's gonna pop at 300, 170. Let's go. I need everybody to share the stream. I need everybody to share the stream right now. If you guys want a chance to win, all you guys got to do is follow me on Instagram. DM me your predictions. And if you're the closest, then you get $100. All right, here we go. 131. 132. 133.
Now it's my turn. Let me think. Okay. It's got weird.
Not that one. 134. Hold on, let me back this up.
It's got big. And it has hands.
135. 136. 137. 138. 139. 140. 141. 142. 143. 144. 145. 146. Jesus. Hold on, let's get to 150. This is 2 right here.
Flying thing that ever lived.
149.
That's the biggest thing that lived. I forget what it's called.
150.
What?
Gee, that's 150 rubber bands.
150 rubber bands. No, chill out, chill out. Now leave it leveled.
That sounds more like a stupid. It's a question.
I need everybody to share the stream. Let's get 300 viewers in here. All right, here we go.
151.
151.
152.
152.
153. 154. 155. 156.
Radio boring. What? It's a board.
157.
It's an orb.
158. 159.
160.
170.
170.
171.
Oh,
172. 173.
Boom. 174. 174.
175.
175.
176.
176.
177. 178. 179. 1.
Don't hold it like that.
180. Dude! I don't want it to explode in my face.
Move my phone. Here we go. We're at 183. I need everybody to share the stream. I need everybody to share the stream and tap on the video. Tap on the video. Tap, tap, tap. 185. 186. 187. Oh my god.
okay, so that's your
188. 189. 190. 191. 192. 193. 194. 195. 196. 197. 198. 199. Oh shoot. That one was risky. 200. 200. That boy looked like the imposter. He looked like Among Us. Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Oh.
Oh oh.
Oh! 200 is the magic number.
200. $200. Oh my god. $200 was the magic number. If you guessed it right, then I'm gonna check my Instagram. Oh my god. Jesus.
Oh, where the rubber bands go?
It's only right.
I can't believe
Oh my god.
It's a good one. I'm dead.
Oh god. What are you saying? 200 was the magic number. Look, we got 200 viewers. We need that in slow motion. I'm gonna upload it to my Instagram.
Baby. Yo, where did the rubber bands go?
aquí? No, le ponimos de esto. Cogió 200 rubber bands y explotó. Te voy a enseñar el video ahorita.
I'm dead. I wonder what. Oh, look at the ball of rubber bands.
Oh my god, let me see it. Damn.
Now we just gotta make a ball out of this.
200 it is, yup. 200 it is. Alright, so I'm gonna check my Instagram. Whoever guessed it right, we're gonna see who the winner is. I screen recorded. I guess 211. I didn't know your Instagram name, so I couldn't get it. Bro, it was on my Damn, now we gotta do this again, but with a bigger watermelon. I was holding it and then it just popped.
That was about to be my face, dude.
This man's a genius. Alright, yo, I'm gonna upload the video. Thank you guys for coming out. I'm gonna do another one tomorrow, probably.